Ay, 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 ay. Shasta, Shasta, Shasta. New Year, flow, flow. That's it, that's it, that's it.
Appreciate that shit too, man.
Already, big dog. Take it easy. Y'all make sure you follow my boy, Scatpack_Z.
Alright, man.
Alright, broski.
I'm probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. And niggas actin' they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass. Chopper rearranging shit like a nigga lost his dad. All that capping on the net, 100 shots, I want them dead. I'm probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. And niggas actin' they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass. Chopper rearranging shit like a nigga lost his dad. All that capping on the net, 100 shots, I want them dead. 100 shots, I want them dead. Niggas capped out, man, they scared. Drop that Addy and I'm there. Best believe I'm coming fast. These niggas hate, they really fans. I'm on your block, I want my man. Pop his ass just like a pill. His bitch shooting.
Alrighty, guys. So what we're doing today is installing some star headlights and my boy Scatpack charger. Alright, so the easiest way to do this once you get the headliner removed is to go ahead and take a marker and draw your line. It's hard to see it here. I did use red, but this line's true. So pretty much what you want to do is you'll draw a box around so that you can separate it. What I did is separate it into 4 quadrants. He bought a 450 piece light set. So we separated that into 4 quadrants here. What I'm gonna do is 100, 100, 100, 100. And then he has 50 of a different size. So I'll go through with the extra 50 just to fill in any gaps and stuff that may be necessary. So as you guys can see here, I went ahead and started. The easiest way to do this, they do send you drill bits. But what I found out from a previous video that I watched on YouTube was that if you use something like a safety pin, all right, you can just poke the holes in the headliner here, and that pretty much gives you the perfect size. It's like a tight fit. So you'll take that, and then you can put the liner through and just pretty much push them right into the hole. All right. So once you do that, they're gonna be hanging through there in the bottom down here. Right. So we'll tap back in a little bit. We're going to get some more knocked out. I'm trying to get at least the first 100 done tonight, and I'll finish the rest of tomorrow. All right, but y'all stay tuned.
You know Cardi made it.
So a little update, we've got everything done here. We ran into a little mistake. So when I did it, the first video I saw said that you could use some super glue to glue the ends in. So that's what I did. But I noticed that it made them very fragile, so they started to break off. So what you want to do is use hot glue instead. So the hot glue to secure all of the ends here. and then all of those are locked in. So of course you'll want to trim all of this. We have really long strings, so there's no worries about how much is sticking through here. I've still got plenty left to go into the trunk. But what you want to do is start snipping them off. All right, and as you start snipping them, you'll see, that you'll have your little light shining through here. All right, but everything else will be gone. All right, so we just gotta finish cutting all of those off. We'll be good to go.
You know Cardi made it.
Making progress here. You're just going to make sure you get something that can cut really close to the ends, and you're just going to snip them off. All right. All right. Just go ahead and finish that up, and I'll be all done. I'm going to install it through the roof. It's the easiest way to get it back into the back of the car. Stay tuned.
You know Cardi made it.
Finally got everything installed. This is the daytime look here. As you can see, everything stands out pretty well. All right, nice and spread up. I'm gonna pull it in the garage in a second and close the door so we can see what it looks like at full dark.
Cardi made it.
Alrighty, big dog, take it easy. Y'all make sure you follow my boy, Scatpack_Z.
Alright, man.
Alright, broski.
I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so I bought me some food and got on my feet. They say that they watching, they after me. I'm a beast with this shit like an athlete. Just know that I'm bout it like Master P. Ain't no lacking, no cap in my shot with me. All the smoke in this air, ain't no shots for free. From the jump it was violent, it's never peace. I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so I bought me some food and got on my feet. They say that they watching, they after me. I'm a beast with this shit like an athlete. Just know that I'm bout it like Master P. Ain't no lacking, no cap in my strap with me. All that smoke in the air, ain't no shots for free. From the jump it was violent, it's never peace. They swear that they bout it like Master P. Run that check up, no flex up, them rats with me. Got her all on my dick, know this shit ain't free. She said that they gas, cause she wrapped the weed. I feel like I'm Chester, I'm Bomber Cheese. Try to chase me a bag, now it's after me. No, we not the same, boy, you out my league. We zip to the zoo, y'all a different breed. See, I was so hungry, I couldn't eat, so